All right, I'm working on it again. If you remember this tire here, I couldn't get it to hold air. It was old, dry rotted. So I took it off and I went down to Discount Tire and I got a nice brand new tire put on it. Look at that tread. Doesn't that look good? All right. So I'm getting ready to put that back on there. It's nice and balanced. So they gave me some good one here. Barum or whatever. They said it's good. Whenever I get the car going and I can afford it, then I'm gonna get the other 3 replaced as well. And I'm gonna throw that on. And then I'm gonna put that battery back in there and start it up, see if I can move it. And hopefully I can do this without somebody driving by with music blaring, because I tried to do this video a couple of times and crazy people driving by just with their radios blaring. Somebody's been working upstairs over there. That's why the yellow dumpster's there. I think it's the people that have recently purchased the old theater. I was thinking the old theater kind of ended here, but I think they're actually got that part up there as well. Not really sure. I'll ask them someday when I see them. But I got a jungle back here. Welcome to the jungle. I gotta get in here and cut all this down. Yeah, Johnny said that he don't want to come down here and do this too. He's having a hard time keeping up with the yard we got down there. And anyway, this will be another project to work on soon. All right, let me get that tire on. Okay, I got the wheel on with the new tire. I got that battery out. Put this battery in, but I can't get the car started. So I'm figuring maybe I have a fuse blown, or these connectors aren't connecting properly. But what I'm going to do is, because mosquitoes are eating me, and there were some dark skies up here just a moment ago, and I thought it was going to rain. Anyway, I'm going to put that battery in the trunk. I probably ought to take that one home and put it on the charger. Now, I was thinking that this one was pretty new. I don't remember which one was the new one. I'm starting to get confused with my batteries. But I'm thinking this one might have been one of the new ones, but I don't know. That might have been in that old black 1990 Honda, for all I know. But anyway, I'm just gonna leave it sitting. I'm gonna go home. I found a tick on me earlier, down here on my leg. I've been looking around to see if I can see anything else. It was a tiny one. We get a lot of ticks around here, so I'm gonna have to end up coming in here and spraying. I gotta cut all this stuff back. I'm gonna come in here with something to kill the weeds out, and also spray bug spray, because I'm gonna end up down here doing a lot of work to this place. Got a lot of work to do. Part of the work is getting this thing going. Oh gosh. Well, I didn't bring my voltometer with me to check the voltage on these things. So, all right. Well, I'm gonna take that one home, put that one on the charger, see if it'll hold a charge. Go ahead and put that hubcap back on there, and then I'll get back with you. I let it sit for a while. I put that battery in the trunk of my other car, which is sitting over there. And I was getting my tools together. I come back and I figured, well, I'll get in the car and check it out one more time. Sure enough, it turned over. I don't know. It's weird, isn't it? It doesn't sound right to me. I'm gonna have to give this thing a good look. I'm gonna have to get under it, look all around it, just to make sure everything's okay. But what I'm gonna do right now is now that I got that tire on it, I'm gonna see if I can back it up, pull it forward, stuff like that. I backed it up, moved it forward a couple of times, and this back wheel back here was stuck. The brakes were stuck on this one. That's why you see that, because the car was moving, but the wheel wasn't turning. But the rest of them seem to have done okay. You can see where it had been sitting. Now it's there, so it's moved over just a pinch. And the other two wheels, they rolled okay. So the brakes weren't stuck on that. Oh, see, there's the dark sky. It kind of snuck back up on me. So I'll get this car going. It's a little bit better tomorrow. I'm gonna let it sit, and tomorrow I'm gonna work on it some more. And I gotta check the oil. I gotta check the power steering fluid, brake fluid. Brakes felt great, except for, that one was stuck. And it finally unstuck. Actually, I backed it up to where it was on the sidewalk right there, and it had enough traction on the tire to kind of like give it a good turn that way or this way or whatever, and undid the stuck brake. So now I should be able to drive it wherever I needed to go, but I need to make sure that it's not going to die on me on the road or break down on the road. And so I'll be working on it a little bit more tomorrow.